close round 20, we make a single crochet top of first single crochet into this double crochet here, a front post single crochet. For chain 3, we make chain 1 and a double crochet into first single crochet, now round 20 is finished. Round 21, we want to back into right side of project, so we are into 3 chain, a chain, and turn back your work. Now a single crochet into 3 chain space, a chain. We want to make double crochet here into 11 single crochet, 5 double crochet, in the center we make 3, then 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the center we make 3 into 6, 1, 2, and 3, now 5 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's look like this. Now a chain, a single crochet into 3 chain space, a chain. Again we want to make this one 5 double crochet, into center we make 3, then 5 double crochet. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here